Today we're going to take you on a tour of an incredible HO scale model railway layout, the Korong, Vale and Northern Railway by Bob Gartside. Bob shared with us the inspiration for this layout is deeply rooted in his childhood. Growing up, his father worked on the Victorian Railways, and this no doubt sparked Bob's lifelong passion for trains. Like many children of that era, Bob dreamt of becoming a train driver. Whilst he may not have ended up driving real trains, he certainly has become the master of creating and operating model ones. Bob often pondered the debate between generic modelling and prototype modelling. Is one approach inherently better than the other? And after years of experience with both styles, Bob found that modelling actual places provided a more satisfying sense of achievement. There's something uniquely rewarding about capturing the essence of real locations and historical railway operations. In the early days, Bob's home layouts featured continuous runs, but over time he felt they lacked a sense of purpose. His growing passion for accurately replicating the Victorian railways has led him to shift focus towards prototype modelling. This approach allowed him to infuse his work with greater authenticity and narrative depth. Having lived in central Victoria his entire life, Bob's modelling is profoundly influenced by the rural railway operations of the region. His layout beautifully captures the charm and character of central Victoria's railway scenes, reflecting on both the technical detail and atmospheric nuances of the area. In this video, we'll explore the intricate details of the Korong, Vale and Northern Railway layout, highlighting the remarkable craftsmanship and dedication Bob has poured into this project. From the carefully detailed locomotives and carriages to the realistic landscapes and structures, every aspect of this layout tells you a story of Australia's rich railway history. So an overview of this layout. It measures 7 metres wide by 8 metres long and is in HO scale using Pico Code 100 track, which has been suitably weathered. All the structures are majorly scratch built, with some industrial buildings being modified from readily available kits. The construction time of this layout took around 4 years. It's lit with just domestic fluorescent lighting. All the rolling stock and locomotives on this layout are from the Victorian Railways era, and they are a mixture of kit built as well as commercially available, ready to run rolling stock and locomotives. Some of the locomotives and rolling stock come from brands like Precision Scale Model, Alco Models, Broad Gauge Models, McBee's, Steam-era, Powerline, Escision, SDS and others, and all have been suitably weathered to represent the time that this layout is set in. The Korong, Vale and Northern Railway is a single track, out and back layout with several intermediate stations, culminating at the iconic location of Witcherproof, where the railway line runs down the middle of the street. and there's also a branch line extending to Robin Vale. Korong Vale serves as the major inland railway station with substantial sidings and infrastructure, cleverly allowing rolling stock and locomotives to be hidden in plain sight, eliminating the need for a traditional fiddle yard. The layout features a series of well-planned stations, like Korong Vale, Wedderburn Junction, Charlton, Inglewood, Teddy Wally, Witchyproof, Robin Vale, and Kangaroo Flat. Each station and its accompanying structures is outstandingly scratch-built, including the station buildings, signal boxes, gangers' sheds, goods sheds, bridges, cranes, signals, and housing. The attention to detail adds an authentic touch to the entire layout. Korong Vale and Northern is a DCC layout and is powered with an NCE power cab and is wired in the traditional method with bus wires and droppers. The layout is divided into electrical sections, each equipped with short circuit protection to ensure smooth operation, and all the locomotives are sound equipped, enhancing the realistic experience. The baseboard is crafted from dressed pine, 90 by 19 mils, open frame with all joints but screwed. And 5-ply plywood has been screwed into the frames, and it stands at 1150mm high, and no glue was used in the assembly, allowing for easy dismantling if need be. Wherever possible, the baseboard sections have been constructed to form a uniform size for consistency. Bob plans to continue improving the scenery, upgrading locomotives and rolling stock, and enhancing the signalling system. His dedication to continuous improvement ensures that the layout will keep evolving and captivating its audience. So Bob's tips for building a layout. When wiring your layout, be disciplined in colour coding your wiring. For example, use red and black for track wiring. This practice helps quickly identifying and troubleshooting any electrical issues, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable operation of your railway. So I hope you've all enjoyed taking a look at this wonderful private Victorian Railways layout. And a huge thanks to Bob for allowing me to come over and showcase this layout to share with everyone. So if you did enjoy this video, please let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to be subscribed if you're not already, as I'll be back with plenty more layout videos, tours, exhibition reviews, and everything like that. So So thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Hooroo!